Hello, welcome to my channel Let's Talk Wise. I'm Arvind Chaube. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very interesting topic. You must have heard right from your childhood something coming to us from our mind, and something it is said that the voice comes from our heart also. So what should you listen? This is also, this is something which can perplex us. This can confuse us. What should we follow? Whether should we follow something that is coming out of our heart or that something which is coming out of our brain? So I would like to clarify here that nothing comes from the heart, because heart is being designed by the God to only pump the blood. The function of the heart is to pump the blood, supply the oxygen through hemoglobin to all the tissues of our body, all the cells of our body. The function of the heart is to only cater our oxygen needs, and the circulation of that oxygen takes place through hemoglobin, and heart only pumps the blood, and that is how it prevents us from falling prey to ischemia. Means we prevent ischemia because of the heart which flows oxygen through hemoglobin. So having said this, now both the things, sometimes we get two opposite instincts, opposite messages. Both do come to us from the brain. Never it comes from the heart. It is the brain which actually tells us two things which are sometimes opposite in nature. So it depends on us how wish to follow. So please do not have confusion that there are two things emerging. Sometime it is from the heart, sometime it is from the brain. So never it comes from the heart. Believe me that it comes from the brain only. Whatever the things comes to you, it comes to you from the brain only. So follow what is right and apply the ethical code of conduct. Ethical code of conduct always would tell you what is right and what is wrong. So always try to do what is right. So having said this, if I am sure you would like the content of this, if you like the content, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and also press the bell icon button so my next video reaches you. Thank you very much.